cuckoo.
Mimi cuckoo.
What's that?
I know how to spell mommy.
How do you spell mommy?
M-O.
Yeah.
M-E. What?
That's not how you spell mommy.
What?
Well, nice try.
But it says me.
That makes sense. I know I would spell it like that, but they didn't spell it like that.
How do you spell it?
It's M.
O.
And then M. And then another M.
M.
Yep. And then Y.
What?
Yeah.
How to spell mommy?
I know. They spelled it wrong.
Has to say mommy. Has to be M-M-O-M-M-O-O-K and E. Mommy, but they spell it wrong. They spell it like not E, because why I spell Y? It's not. It doesn't say E.
Yeah, I don't know.